Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, and today I'm going to do another QuiltCon review. As soon as QuiltCon was over, we got busy with our next show, and then we got busy with our handmade market, and so we didn't get a chance to show you all of the original patterns and original quilts and original things that we had made when QuiltCon was here in February. So we're going to do a little review today. This is a pattern from a local designer, Robin Thomas. It's called Minimalist Spruce. I really like it. I think it's such a fun way to have like a little mini Christmas tree, or you could do a whole forest of them. This is Robin's example, and we have kits in both of these colorways. And then this is one that I made. And honestly, I made the whole thing in about half a day. So it is a very quick pattern. It's only a little bit of foundation piecing. The rest is just regular piecing. And it goes together really fast and packs quite a little punch. So these are the two kit colors. We have the kit in Robin's colorway and the kit in my colorway. And then the patterns are also available here at the shop. So if you just need a quick make or something, maybe when the Christmas fabric comes out and you want to throw together something with Christmas colors, that would be fun. The next thing that we had made specifically for QuiltCon are these Cary Quilting retro lunch boxes. These are those metal lunch boxes that you remember from your childhood. They would be perfect to stick a magnet inside and then use as a needle keeper, or to put in your hand sewing project that you could carry with you when you go to doctor's appointments or on vacations or whatever. Or I know somebody here at the shop brought their lunch in one of these last week. So definitely reminiscent of those middle school and elementary school days. Is exactly like those old ones, and I love it. So that we have here in the shop and online. I also had some holographic rulers made. Hopefully you can see this. A lot of people have asked why you need a holographic ruler, and the answer is you don't. But why wouldn't you want one? So these were fun to do, and you do have the 60, the 45, and the 30-degree angle, and a 4.5-inch ruler, and you can see through them. So you can still see all the colors that you need to see. You can see I don't know if you can tip down and see that, but you can see the lines on the cutting mat through it. So it's a fun little thing just to have. And then the last thing that I designed and had made are these little embroidered patches. So these patches are stickable on the back. They have adhesive on the back, but you can also sew them down. So they would be really fun to add to bags or backpacks or just anything that you use for sewing or quilting. I think bobbin chicken has been everybody's favorite. So if you don't know about bobbin chicken, you should Google it. It's a fun game to play. Well, it's a risky game to play, but sometimes it works out. So we have all of these available in the shop and online now, and I will link to them in the description of today's video. I hope that you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.